So let's continue our training about table position. Yes, today we will do the same exercise only from another leg. Yes, today we're training right leg. So go to the position table. Please remember about straight back, not this, only this. Yes, 90 degrees legs and 90 degrees hands. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So one important rule: don't follow to the right. Yes, I know it's left, like it's maybe easier, but it's a mistake. Yes, try to separate your weight between this leg in your mat and this leg in the air. It's possible. If I can do, you also do. Don't be shy and try. So after that we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So cool. After that, breathe in, go to the baby pose and have a rest. Don't miss your rest, because if you don't make a rest between your exercise, you lose a lot of energy, and your training will be very short, about 30 minutes, and it's not good. Yes, good training will be at least 1 hour with your rest. Yes, so don't forget about this. A few seconds, really a few seconds, save a lot of energy, so don't lose this rest. So breathe in and breathe out. So let's continue. The same our position, up your leg and do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. After that, straight your leg and try to up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, fix this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. So have a little rest for your muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So do exercise X. Yes, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, also save this position. Yes, save. Also turn around this, and you can see this position. So breathe in and breathe out. After this exercise with a table pose is compensation is excellent. So if you don't believe me, try it. Yes, and write in the comments true this or false. So let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. And have a rest. Breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So cool. After that, we can do more difficult exercise. I can show you, but you will decide. If you pro, you can do this. If you a beginner or middle, you mustn't do this because it's so hard exercise, and so be attention, okay, about this. Okay, so do this exercise, yes, and do down 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fix this position, yes, and also do this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in the training, it's also important things. So, thank you for this training. I very appreciate that you choose my channel with my trainings. Yes, it's very cool. I'm so happy, it's true. And thank you that you made me develop. Yes, because you write any comments about what you want, what you like or not. It's super. Yes, we develop together. We looks like a family. Yes. So have a nice day. Yes, see you soon. Thank you so much. Yes, I can repeat this again. Thank you. And so see you soon. Bye bye.